All right, here we go. Let's start with our wonderful smoked sausage. You can get any smoked sausage that you want. We have oil already in here that was hot. Okay, we're just gonna brown these up a little bit, okay? I had put some oil in my pan already. You get the smoked sausage that you love the best, and you just brown them up in here like we doing. You pick your favorite smoked sausage. We got these wonderful, nice smoked sausage. So let me just brown these up nicely. All right. All right, that's what you want. Look at that, get some nice color. Look at that. These smoked sausage smells delicious. I'm gonna add my garlic. Get that fresh garlic in there. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Woo! Oh yeah, we're cooking with fire. That's what we like. All right, now we're gonna add that ginger. Yes, I said it, the fresh ginger. You just wanna spunk it up. Oh yeah. You get that going. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is delicious. Just brown it up, all right? That's what you want to do, guys. You want to brown it up nicely. Take your favorite smoked sausage, and you just cut them on a bias, and you just brown them up. As you see, we added fresh garlic and ginger. All right, let's add onion to this now. Let this cook down nicely. Not too much, but just get some color in your onion as well. All right. Oh, that's looking great. All them flavors are coming out. That's what you want. Oh, wow. This is looking good. Great, great, great. Get some color. Just want to get some nice color. Keep it nice and crisp. Don't overcook it now. All right. Now we're going to hit it with some wonderful cabbage. Yes. Oh, yes. Cook this down a little bit. Cook it down some. All right, we're gonna add some wonderful soy sauce. It's gonna help cook it down and keep those flavors going. Oh wow. We're gonna hit it with some black pepper. Just, you see that? Just some nice black pepper, okay? Oh yeah. I'm gonna cover it because I want that nice steam from the cabbage and that soy sauce. I wanna just get that to help me with my cabbage a little bit. Cook it a little faster. We're going to do that for at least about 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see what goes on with that. We'll check it out. 2 to 3 minutes. All right, that's about 2 to 3 minutes. Look at that. That's what we want. Check it out. See, not too much, but just enough. Okay? Now we're just going to blend this all. Oh, wow. Let me get that in there. Okay. Just mix this all together. Not too much, but just enough. All right? That's what we want. Oh, that looks great. That smells delicious. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. See, you got a little sauce down there. Look at that, all right? That's looking delicious. Well, I'm telling you, this is what you want. Okay, this is the best part. Now, I get to taste it. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wonderful. Oh yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, come on. Here we go. Oh yeah. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. That is delicious. There you have it. Smoked sausage with cabbage, ginger, and fresh garlic. You can put this over rice, put it on the side. I'm telling you guys, this is what you want. And this is what you can do with your favorite smoked sausage. So, those of you the first time to my channel, please like and subscribe for more quick, delicious videos like this. Until next time, enjoy cooking without. Let's serve it up.